Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. Today I talk about the importance of deliberately choosing thoughts we have about the people we love in our lives. Our thoughts about others can equally create growth and connection or limit our benefits from relationships. We already know that our brain's most important job is to protect us. Our brains love to defer responsibility for our lives to other people and circumstances. It's a lot easier to blame than to assume responsibility for all that's happening in our life. Thinking disempowering thoughts about other people ends up directly disempowering us. It's so much easier to look for flaws and shortcomings in others and self than to deeply examine and recognize the brilliance in us and them. How we choose to see others is really how we choose to see ourselves. Choosing to see our boyfriend, for example, or aunt, as smart and giving, has two big benefits. Number one, it makes us think of ourselves as smart and giving. And number two, it makes us think that other people might think of us as such. You only have access to the other person's highest self when you are in your highest self. If you have a coach or a therapist or a mentor, all of this also applies. If you believe that they are amazing and they will help you achieve whatever you want in your life, they will. So clean up your negative, disempowering thoughts about your family and other people in your life and start loving and accepting them. If you find my tips helpful, consider actually putting them into practice. Insight is only 20%, while practice is 80% of your success. If you'd like some help transforming how you think about your people in your life, consider coaching with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, stop having negative thoughts about your loved ones and come up with more positive and constructive thoughts.